During the COVID-19 pandemic, 21 million United States citizens are out of work. An additional 12 million people have seen a reduction in hours. There is also an undocumented number of people out of work. In attempts to prevent the economy from crashing, the government has approved most unemployment benefits and issued stimulus checks to those out of work. The government has also attempted to bail out businesses. Even with the bailouts, many businesses have closed. For many Americans, the economic scare has been even greater than the pandemic. Many Americans are learning to be more frugal with their spending habits. They have taken a closer look at not only how much they spend, but on what they are using their money to purchase. The gardening movement has grown exponentially. Garden supplies are not as readily available as they once were. Many are beginning to understand the importance of growing their own food and medicine. They are no longer taking their apparent freedoms for granted. But just how much money will gardening save you per year? According to the USDA, individuals that include the recommended daily intake of fruits and vegetables in their diets may spend $2.60 per day or $949 per year. A family of 3 could spend $2,847 per year just on fruits and vegetables alone. According to a Bloomberg report, the average American spends approximately $1,200 per year on medication. For a family of 3, the cost of medication could be $3,600 per year. For fruits, vegetables, and medication, a family of 3 could spend $6,447 per year. As a part-time urban gardener, I've purchased a $7 bottle of liquid painkiller to date. That's the extent of the medication I've purchased, but only as a backup to the pain medicine I grow. While I don't have a clear amount for how much I'll save growing my own food and drink, according to the Bloomberg report, I'm on track to saving $1,193 this year. Many people new to gardening are on track to save a significant portion of their income on food, drink, and medicine. I'm your Natural Mystic Medicine Man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.